You're gonna give them away?
We might. I don't know. I said we shouldn't.
So that was the dog is supposed to be?
Yeah, but like the
Bella, do you want to be on the vlog? Aww, look how adorable she is. Alright, where are we going?
I don't know where we're going.
Where are we going?
To eat.
To eat. That was great. Yeah.
Put them on, Andrew.
Dude, I look gay.
Just put them on.
Hey, that's not a good adjective to use.
Alright, Andrew, gimme.
Alright,
Andrew, we're gonna make like a best of.
you can't put that on YouTube.
That look cool.
Why?
Andrew, am I recording my face?
No, hold on.
Back when you had
I
your
got it,
weird
I got it.
haircut, I always thought when you put those glasses on that you
Okay,
like,
we're good
side.
now. We're
What
good.
weird haircut?
Now you can do
The
whatever
one where
you're gonna
it was
do.
just like a bunch of hair on the top of your head.
We
with a
got you
side
now.
shave. Andrew, why are you pointing down?
Okay.
I got it.
Should we just go to the fountain?
Why are you recording me, dude?
Oh my god, can we turn on the air, please?
Are you really hot? Dent was
Yo,
already
you
there.
know what I just realized?
What did you just realize?
The last vlog I was in, I was wearing this exact same shirt.
What? Let me see. Let me
So
see.
people are just gonna think that I wear the same clothes. Just like this one.
We just got to Eastwood. Swaggin'?
Yo,
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Highland second half kick.
Sorry for not vlogging like the past couple of days. And sorry for not uploading like 2 or 3 days in a row. I've just had like bad past days. So. But right now we're gonna go watch the Mayweather-Berto fight at the bowling alley. So it should be pretty fun and interesting. So we ended up going to see the fight at the movie theater, not at the... Where did I... Oh, not at the bowling alley, yeah. So, today we found out that my dog, the one that you guys see in the vlogs, she has cancer. And it's not treatable. Well, it's not, there's no cure to it. So, we probably have anywhere from 1 to 6 months with her. So that kind of sucks. The story behind Lady, well, her name is Miss Lady. When I think I was in maybe like 4th or 5th grade, she was stuck in a drainage ditch at my old elementary school. There were kids like trying to help her, like trying to get her out, but to do that they would like chase her, so she got super scared. So she's like very, very scared of people. Eventually they got her out she was so small because she had no food. They had to use a cat cage to get her out, not a dog cage, like a cat trap. They put some food in there and she got out. And they like showed us one day, and I asked my mom if we could keep her, and she said yeah. So I named her Miss Lady, and that was in 2008. She was so tiny. It's just so sad. Like, I never thought this would happen. It sucks, but it's a part of life, and it sucks. But me and my mom, we just want her to like be able to live as like, we just want her to be happy for as long as she can. And I'm sorry if this is too personal, but I just felt the need to share it. So hopefully she's able to stay with us for as long as she can.
Here's your treat. Take it and run, dude. Take it and run. Hey! Is your treat good?
A video camera converts the picture into a television signal.
It's amazing to me how the thought of death can change your whole perspective on everything. So like with Lady, like I never thought this would happen. Like I know it's super unreasonable, but I never thought like this moment would come, and it's come. Sorry I haven't been like putting the videos up the last couple of days. It's just because like Lady, this happened with Lady, and I didn't know what to do. So I expect her a lot more in the vlogs, because when she's gone, I want to be able to like look back on this. So to try to change the subject, my friend Diego, I know I've talked about him before. He's the one who I said he had his own blog. He recently wrote a piece about one of the players for our baseball team. So I really recommend that you guys go and read it. It's excellent. I'll either link his Twitter or like the actual thing. I don't know which one. But go read it. It was like, his writing skills are awesome. I wish I could write like that. Unfortunately, writing is just not my thing. Sorry for the kind of a downer vlog.